Twin Force turbocharger kits for 2017 to 2022 Ford F-150 and Raptor trucks with 3.5 liter Ecoboost engines. Kits are available in 3 progressive stages, offering a 100 to 164 rear wheel horsepower increase to suit individual performance needs.
Stage 1 kit is designed to enhance torque and horsepower. Stage 2 is the Stage 1 kit with a pair of Garrett turbochargers. And Stage 3 is the same as Stage 2 with an electronic fuel pump booster.
The Twin Force kits now cover both the standard 395 horsepower and 450 horsepower HO versions of these popular trucks. For information on this and other new 2024 products, please visit our website.
Oh.